Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You sign into Bing with your Microsoft account, then open the chat or sidebar and enable Sora immediately. Once enabled, grant microphone access and pick a voice and language so responses sound natural. Now, type or speak a clear initial prompt describing the task, include context and desired format. Start with a short command, then add one example of the output you want. This gets Sora oriented quickly and prevents irrelevant answers before you continue. Once Sora responds, refine by specifying role, format, and constraints to shape replies. For example, ask for a 3-step summary or a bulleted plan and set tone, formal or casual. Make sure to include limits like word count or sections to keep answers focused. Use follow-up prompts to request edits, ask for code snippets, or request sources of reasoning. If you need iterative changes, quote the line to modify and tell Sora exactly what to expand, shorten, or To finish, review Sora's answer and ask for clarifications or a concise rewrite if necessary. Be specific about what to change. Once done, copy, export, or save the content where you need it. If results are off, rephrase the prompt, add an explicit example, or request step-by-step reasoning. Make sure microphone and permissions are enabled. If Sora behaves oddly, refresh the page, restart the browser, and toggle Sora off and on. This simple reset resolves most glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.